Welcome back, everyone out in YouTube land. It is Two Riveting Gamers. We are back here today to talk to you about upgrading your gaming PC.
That's right, maybe you bought a PC from Dell, maybe you built it yourself, but we're going to show you how to upgrade it. And today we're going to upgrade from an i7 6700 to an i7 8700K, the latest 6-core Intel processor. So we're going to put a new motherboard, new processor, and a new cooler in. And we hope you enjoy this video.
Step 1. Remove your side panel.
Next, remove all cables from the motherboard and video card.
Then remove any cards that may be in your PCI and PCI Express slots. Also, unplug the memory from the board, remembering to be extra careful.
Unscrew all screws connecting the motherboard to the case. A magnetic screwdriver is a big help.
Remove old motherboard and old I/O plate.
Install new I/O backplate, ensuring proper orientation and all clips have engaged. Remove CPU socket protector bracket carefully.
Install CPU to motherboard. Pay extra attention to the notch and tabs for orientation. Then gently pull the CPU bracket lock down. Next, install your CPU cooler hardware.
Install motherboard, ensuring not to pinch any wires. Then replace all the existing cabling back into the motherboard. Install memory prior to installing larger air coolers. Next, install a pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the CPU surface.
Place cooler onto CPU and tighten down screws, being sure to alternate screws while tightening for an even fit. Install any remaining PCI or PCI Express cards into the motherboard. So that was our gaming PC upgrade tutorial video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know in the opinions below what you guys think.
And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'm Anthony.
I'm Sean. Keep on gaming.